Hey fam, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. So this is a highly requested video. In a vlog of mine, I said once that I love doing makeup, and since then many of you suggested that I should do a video on my makeup collection. So here I am with the limited stock that I have with me right now, because I used to be a hoarder for makeup and I used to love makeup at one point of time, but then since last year we couldn't actually go out. We are confined in our rooms. We don't have the scope to actually do makeup. So since then I didn't do makeup as such, but except for like these videos where I just put on some little makeup or no makeup. So I think many of us didn't get the opportunity to do our makeup for a long time. So that obsession with makeup has almost gone, but since I still have a lot of makeup with me, so I thought that I should share these with you. And all of these I have tried and tasted for like many months and almost years, so I know that all of these are very good, and I'm very choosy and picky when it comes to makeup, so you can trust me with that. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So there are certain phases in my life when I'm obsessed with certain sections of makeup. Like for example, from the year 2015 to 2016, I was really into eye makeup, and that's why I bought a lot of eyeshadow, kajal, eyeliners, and at that point of time I had a lot of eye products from a lot of brands. But then that obsession was gone, and what came in was nails. I completely shifted my focus to nails, and I started buying nail paints, nail colors from all the brands that were there at that point of time. And then again my focus shifted to lipsticks. So still now I'm obsessed with lipsticks to a large extent, because I love wearing lipsticks. And I just want to tell you that this is just like 1/4 of what I had at one point of time, but many of them crossed the expiry date, and many of them went bad, and few I donated, few I gave to my friends, because I was not that into eyeshadow, eye makeup. So yeah, so I didn't want to waste any product, and I started giving out those things to the people who actually could make use of those. So yeah, so let's get into the video. So let's start with the only two eye makeup product that I have with me right now. The first one that I use for daily purpose is Gala of London Classic Kajal. I think I talked about this in one of my to buy or not to buy video, or I think a favorites video. So this is one of my recent favorite eye product. This is from brand called Gala of London. This is smudge proof, but it's not waterproof. I actually don't like anything waterproof, because it's really hard to remove that kind of makeup which is waterproof. So Gala of London is actually a very good product if you want to use, and it's smudge proof, and I have used this for like I think 8-9 months now. So yeah, so this is the first one. Moving on to the next one, which I've used a lot because I love this one, which is Plum Cosmetics All Day Wear Kohl Kajal Nature Studio. This is the one. It has become like very small because I've used a lot of this, and what I like about this kajal is that it's very intense, smudge proof, and I love this kajal. This is a little expensive, on an expensive side, but if you buy this will go for a long time, and you can use this all the time. It won't smudge. So I rely on this a lot. I think you should buy this if you don't have this. It's amazing. So these are the two eye products that I have. Okay, let's move on to the nail paints that I have. First nail paint that I use a lot is this particular nail paint from L'Oreal Paris. This is Ruby Folly 552, and this was priced at rupees 399. I love this one. This is a very dark red color. I love the color so much. I wear this so often. So this is the first one. The second nail paint that I have is from Nykaa Nail Enamel Lemon Pudding. This is what I'm wearing right now. This is a beautiful color. If you like lemon color, then this is perfect for you, because this actually is very pretty, as you can see in my nails. The next one is from Color Bar. This is Eternal Blush Colorbar Luxe Nail Lacquer created with love. Again, Wonder Gel. This is amazing. You should buy any color from this collection, which is amazing. And the color is nudish pink. Then the next one is L'Oreal. Again, L'Oreal nail color. This is members only, 112. This pretty pink. I love anything pink, so I used to buy a lot of pinks. So yeah. Okay, this one is from Miniso Pitura Nail Polish Light Blue 08. The next one is Nykaa Matte Nail Lacquer. This is Raspberry Tart. This was a color which every blogger out there used to wear like 1.5 years, 2 years back, and that's why I bought this. And this is a very beautiful matte nail lacquer, and it looks very pretty. The next one is again Nykaa Nail Enamel Blue Lime Slush. Next one is Colorbar Nail Lacquer created with love. You Can Dance 1363. And this is an Artifacts. These are like glitter nail polishes, and this is perfect for your nails if you want to apply a top coat. This is perfect. Amazing. The color is amazing. This is a top coat that I bought from Miniso. Again, I think from Colorbar. Yeah, Colorbar. Very nice. Shade number 29. And this is a berry shade, which is so pretty, so beautiful. It will look beautiful on your nails. Like Colorbar, L'Oreal. These are the brands which I rely on the most for any kind of makeup. And I love these brands. And I used to buy a lot of products from these brands because they are reliable, they are trustworthy, and their shades are so unique and they looked so pretty on every skin tone. So I used to love all the products from these brands. So that's it for the nail lacquers or nail polishes. Let me breathe for a while and have a sip. Okay, let's start with the lipstick segment, which I'm very excited about. Okay, so there are a few known brands and there are a few unknown brands which I discovered because I'm a sucker for lipsticks. So yeah, the first unknown brand that I want to talk about is a brand which I bought from Purple. Now Purple.com I think has the exclusive access to these lipsticks, which is I Amsterdam. Now I heard a lot of review about this, and then I thought that I should buy 1 or 2 of them and try them out first before buying a lot of colors. So I bought 1 or 2 lipsticks and I tried them on, and they were absolutely amazing, and I highly recommend to all. I mean, I recommended this to all my friends, my family, that these were for 199 rupees at the point of time, but they used to give a lot of discounts, you know, so it would like be around 150, and you would get top quality lipsticks. I mean, these are matte, liquid matte lipsticks, and I absolutely love them. So I bought a lot of liquid lipstick from this range. This is how it looks. The packaging somewhat looks like Huda Beauty lipsticks, but of course Huda Beauty lipsticks are much more classier. So this is I Amsterdam. This is shade Bing Crosby 7. Yeah, so amazing lip shade, amazing quality. I think you should try this for once. Amazing. This is a dark red color, and if you are a lover for reds, then you should buy this one. The second from this range is this one. The name is Mistress. Yeah, this is again one of my favorite. This is a pinkish shade. As you can see, this was a reddish shade and this is a pinkish shade, and since I love anything pinkish, so that's why I bought this, and I was so happy with this purchase. Amazing. The third one is again from the same range. It's Pure Goodnight. This is how it looks. It is again a pink shade, but almost the same but not the same. Third one, which is my favorite, is Annie Schilder. This is the perfect nude, brownish nude. I think I bought 2 or 3 of these, and again, as you can see, this is almost finished. I have to again order it if it's available. This looks so good on Indian skin tone that I can't even tell you how much you will love these when you buy these. I think this is the last one from this range. which is, oh, this is the same shade. So I bought two. Can you see how much I love these? So yeah, this is almost over. Oh, I think a little is left of this, so I'll use this. Okay, this range is over. Let's talk about another not so known brand, which is In Color Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream. Now this again I have talked about in one of my favorites video. This is the shade 429. I talked about this shade only because I absolutely love this shade, and this is how it looks. This is again a pinkish nude color, and this will again look very good on any good Indian skin tone.